Hi everybody, this is Gigi from Kauai Community College. In this video, I will still be talking about percent, but I am going to use a different method than my mental math method before. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, so we are going to talk about percent with the unitary method. Unitary, what does that all mean? Let's take a look. Suppose that the new Xbox Series X original price is $500, but at the grand opening sale event, it was only sold at $459. Question A is asking you to express the selling price as a percentage of the original price. And then question B is asking, what is the percent discount? All right, so let's go take a look. Part A, we are talking about $459 as our sale price in relation to the 500. So we are asking, what is $459 as a percent of 500? So percent of 500, that means $500 is your reference point, and so 500 is 100%. Now, where am I going next? Usually I would go to like 10% and then figure it out, right? But here, the unitary method say, go ahead and just go all the way down to 1. So if 500 is 100%, then 1 is 100 divided by 500%. Okay, divide both sides by 500. Okay, so now from there, I can go back up to 459 by multiplying by 459. So $459 is 459 times 100 divided by 500%. Okay, and that is part A. Okay, part B. What is the percent discount? Well, it was supposed to be $500, but it was only sold for $459. So there was a $41 discount. So 41 is what percent of 500? That's what part B is asking. What is that percent discount? The discount is $41, and we are now going to express that as a percentage of 500. Therefore, again, 500 is my 100%, the reference point. Okay, so then 1% is 100 divided by 500. So divide by 500 to get to 1, right? And then from there, I'll go up to 41. So 41 would be 41 times 100 over 500%. Well, you might be asking, well, how do you do that? Well, you know, at this point, you would say, hey, numbers are not too nice. Let the calculator do the work for you. Type that in, and you should get, for part A, about 91.8%, which means in part B is 8.2%. Together, that makes 100%, which is the 500 originally, right? But the process of getting to 1 is what we call the unitary method. And you can always do that, actually. You can always go down to 1 and then back up, right? If the numbers are not too nice to look at. Okay, so let's take a look at another one and see. Jessica saved $58 in June. She knows that was 15% more in June than she did in May. So how much money did she save in May? Well, take a look. Sentence, Jessica saved blank dollars in May, right? We have May, we have June, we have these bar model to start out with. The question is asking how much in May. Here this is in June, that is $58. And that actually is 15% more than May. So May is your reference point, which is 100%. And then the 15 more is the red rectangle right there, in addition to the 100%. Okay, so we have 115% is being represented for the whole entire bar of June, which is $58. So where am I going next? Using the unitary method, down to 1. So 1% is $58 divided by 115. And then I would go up to 100 because that's what I needed to know for May. May is my reference point, and that's 100%. So 100% is 58 divided by 115 multiplied by 100. So let that calculator work for you, and the calculator would tell you that that is $50.43 in May. Okay. But the concept that I want you to get out of this is the unitary method, meaning wherever you're at, go to 1 first and then back up. All right, math is fun. Keep modeling. Model drawing is great. It helps you visualize and making sense of these percentages. All right, I will see you in the next video.